All right, I have a new trailer hitch lock to share today, and this one is the big cylinder style. And this one does come with two different attachments. Let me get this opened up, and that way we can show you both of them. And this one uses those flat, funky looking keys. Now what I do like about these ones is that you can just raise that little flap up, so it makes it easier to unlock these locks compared to one of them I had where it was upside down. Not as easy. Okay, so this is the lock that does come with it. This is what it looks like. As you can see, it's one of those, it's supposed to be more or harder to break into. I do have similar ones on my other trailer. And we do get two of these, so you got two different sizes for your couplers. And like I mentioned, this one is the really large cylinder, so this one is a few pounds. It is hefty. So the way that this one works, you're gonna take this and open up that like you're gonna put it on a hitch, and then close that on there. Then you're going to take the tube or cylinder and you're going to place it over. You're going to see where it's going to come through right here. And then all you got to do is match this up. All right, we'll need to put our lock on and then press that down. And that's it. Now your trailer is pretty secured. And when you're ready to take it off, it will slide right off. Open up your ball and drop it, and you're ready to go. Anyway, that's going to be my quick demo on this cylinder lock. Really easy to take it off and to put it on. Only takes seconds. But hopefully it gives you a good idea what to expect. It will fit just about every trailer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.